Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this fairy encapsulated set of nails. I'm going to start off by encapsulating the nails before I apply them. So I have etched all of the inside of the nail once I chose my correct size, and then I'm applying primer and then a very thin layer of extend gel, and I'm going to apply whatever I'm encapsulating onto that wet layer. Today I'm using mylar flakes and then some random glitters. Sorry in advance, I'm probably not gonna have the links for most of these because they're like mixes that I made. This is just mylar flakes. I know I have the link for that. And then there's like a chunky blue glitter. This one I believe is used for makeup, but I'll see if I can find it. And then I'm doing the thicker pieces first, and then I'm gonna fill in with this fine glitter. This is just like a sugar glitter, and I added a little bit of gold because all the sugar glitters that I have found are silver. So if you have a good gold sugar glitter, please link it down below. And then once I fill it up like I like, then I just flash cure it, and then I add one more layer of the extend gel to encapsulate it, and then cure that one more time, and then I just do that for each of the nails. So after I finished the encapsulation on the extensions, I'm just going to go in and prep my natural nails. I do have some gel and top coat on my natural nails, so I'm just going in with the sanding band to remove the shine. And then I'm going to go in with the cuticle bit. So after I prep my natural nails, I just dust them off and then I brush them off with some alcohol. Now I'm just going in with some primer. I'm going to do a layer of extend gel, the color that I'm using actually to apply the extensions as well. It's called Sophie Extend Gel. And this, I don't know if it's me and my bottle or what, but the viscosity is so thick, so it's hard to apply. I think it's probably because this is kind of old, because I don't remember it being this thick when I first got it. But anyway, it's really pretty. But yeah, it's really thick. It's not the same viscosity as my regular clear extend gel. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a layer on each of my natural nails and then cure that for, I think I did 30 seconds, and then go in and apply the extend. Alright, so now same as always, I'm just going to add some extend gel to the cuticle area of the underside of the extension and then apply it to my natural nail at a 45-degree angle. Press down and then flash cure once it reaches the free edge. And for this, since it is color, I just make sure that I go on the back. I usually do this anyway, but just make sure you go on the underside and kind of brush it out so it's more of like an ombre and it's not a blunt end to the color of where the extend gel is. Now I'm just going in with some top coat on the underside of the extension, since that is still tacky because that's where the extend gel was when I encapsulated it. So I just want to fully encapsulate that with the top coat before I go ahead and file these to shape, so that way no dust or anything gets encapsulated with it. So then I cure those upside down, and then I'm just going in with my 5-in-1 bit to seal the cuticles. All right, so after I filed these up to shape, I just made them more pointy, more stiletto-like. Then I'm going in with my buffer to remove the shine off of the surface. And then I'll just dust them off and brush them with some acetone. So I am going in with some fairy decals. These were fairy nails for Halloween. I tried my best to figure out what I thought fairy nails would look like. So I incorporated the flowers. So let me know if you think these look like fairy nails even before the decals. But I just happened to have these and I was like, this is so cute. But I'll link the decals below because I believe I got those recently. But yeah, I'm just adding 2 or 3 to the accent nails, the ones with the leaf. And then I'm gonna just press it down. It's just a sticker. And then I go in with my top coat on the 2 accent nails. I used Shiny Top Coat, the Gloss It by Not Polish. And then on the other 3 nails, then I went in with a matte. And I used the Après Matte. Y'all see how good that reveal looks when I put the top coat on? It looks so good. Let me know if y'all are as satisfied as I am with that. But for whatever reason, like I still liked how the other ones looked matte, so I thought that was cute. And then I just decided to do half and half. All right, you guys, so after I apply the top coat and cure it, I just applied some cuticle oil and this is the finished look. Let me know if you guys like them. Let me know if you liked my top coat choice selection, like the little combination, if you would have kept them all shiny, all matte, etc. Also, let me know if you have any video suggestions. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.